Okay, so you just went and got a tool case.
Yes.
And you got this tool case from Walmart.
That's right.
Very easily accessible. Because you want to make it a little bit easier to get that screw off.
Yeah. Seems like it'll work.
This is what it's called. Walmart. Couldn't have been more than $15 for that case.
Yeah, I think it was like $10. Yeah, it's coming off now.
Now it's coming off.
Yeah.
Okay. Boom, that's it. So that's the part you just got off.
That's right.
With the 2 screws.
Go ahead.
Now this is what it looks like with this not screwed in. This screw was screwed in here like this.
Let me just go ahead.
Just get the 2 screws off. And then I just saw him put it on here, I guess, to see if it fits.
Yeah. Right. Let me see if
Looks like it does because those screws line up.
battery or something.
Okay, so now you can check the instructions to make sure it has batteries and everything in it
How to turn it on.
before you screw it in. And that dinner we had earlier was good. So this is what he's got. So this is what you need, you guys. If you have a Sig Sauer P365. He happens to have the P365 XL Spectre Comp. And that just means that it's the regular model P365, which fits this. But the extra stuff just means that he can hold more in his magazine, more ammo. And the front of it is made a little bit different. Right here. It's got a compensator.
Reduce recoil.
Reduces recoil. But it'll still work if you have the regular P365
That's right.
Sig Sauer. Now we took like a 3-hour drive to get that extra stuff that comes with it, the Spectre Comp XL. There was only one on the West Coast at the time. I don't know if they've restocked it or what. There was only one on the West Coast and it was 3 hours away. So we drove, right babe?
That's right.
To go and get it. And then we spent the night there. And it was actually pretty cool. It was in Pine Top, Arizona.
It was in Sholo.
Oh, Sholo. Sholo, Arizona. It was my first time there. It was pretty cool. And you got it at Sportsman's?
That's right.
Yep, so they sell these at Sportsman's. And how is it concealed carrying the P365?
It's nice. It's very comfortable. Very easily concealable. It's a good weapon. Never had it mess up on me, jam or anything. It's a great weapon.
And he wears it with all his outfits.
Yeah, I even wear it with, like, you know, sweatpants.
So that's the battery?
That is the battery.
Okay, can you show us how you just took the battery out?
So I just unscrewed this little mini screw, pulled it out. I'm pretty sure now it just needs to be flipped and then slid.
Can you show the camera this way?
Just flip the battery over and then
Slide it into the side.
slide it right back in. Maybe.
Instructions.
No.
Let me have some steak. Now this is our leftovers from that restaurant we went to earlier. It sure is good. Now this restaurant, you guys, was in a, half of it was a submarine. So that was really cool. That's what Lucas wanted to go to for his birthday. And how long have you been shooting guns, Lucas?
Since I was like 12. And I'm 28 today.
So you guys can do the math. Yeah, today's his birthday. So we never used a hollow or never put together a hollow point before, so we are reading the directions so you guys don't have to. But all these tools were useful because, as you saw, the little tool that it came with didn't really get that screw off this thing. And this is totally not necessary. You could use the iron sights like he was saying.
Yeah.
And they're perfectly good. In fact, the iron sights on this weapon had neon dots.
That's right, they glow in the dark.
Yeah, so they're glow in the dark, so it's totally cool. My Glock doesn't have that. I had to paint glow in the dark dots on mine. So SIG is a really good company. My Glock though came with a case. His SIG did not come with a case. Did it?
Yeah, it did.
It did?
Yeah. It has a gray case.
Oh, gray case?
Alright.
I thought only my
Now
Glock
it's
came with it.
on.
Oh. You can see through it now?
Yeah.
Oh, you see that little dot, you guys? That
That's
little
right.
dot is what it's made for.
I'm just gonna have to adjust it.
Yeah, it's got to adjust it to his liking.
Gonna have to go take it to the range.
Mm-hmm.
And then it's gonna be one of these screws. Looks like it's gonna be these thinner ones here.
Okay. That shit is good. It ain't shredded. I don't know if
I did not have to take out the battery.
Oh, he said he did not have to take the
Yeah, I
battery.
did not have to do that. Just have to hold the button,
Okay.
and then it was good.
Now I'm trying not to eat my mouth open because I don't want to turn this on ASMR. So just screwing the thin screws in.
Yep. That thing is on there.
Wow. So that's the profile.
You can see it. Laser.
Oh yeah, a little green laser. And that's what you point
That's right.
at the target.
At the target. I got green because I like green.
Okay. Now, your parents got you this as a gift.
That's right.
So what, you sent them the links or is that what you want?
Yes. Alright.
So now you're reassembling.
Right, I'm putting the barrel back in. And
What do we do with that piece?
goes in like this. Slides in there. Pops right in. Nice and firm. And you take it onto here, slide it back onto the slide.
Okay.
Then you go all the way back. Slide it in like that, that pops back up, and we're good.
No ammo or anything in it?
No ammo in it. Now I'm going to adjust the sight.
Okay.
Just a little bit, just so it looks good to me.
The position?
Yeah.
Are you taking that tool and what is that doing?
This is adjusting the dot inside. And then I will have to take it to the range and readjust later, but right now I'm just moving it so it looks like it's dead center to my eye, and then I'll recalibrate once I take it down to the range.
Well, it looks like it fits on there perfect. Just like you said.
Perfect.
Looks very snug. Now, if you don't have the right matching Holosun for your weapon, then how do you fit it onto what you have?
You gotta get a mounting plate for your specific gun and for the specific sight that you're looking for. And that's pretty easy.
And you put a mounting plate on one of your things before, right?
No. Well, for the AR-15, I just put M-lock rails and put the sight on top of that.
Hmm. So let's see what you say. Oh, there goes, where's the little green dot? There it is.
Yep.
So that's what we're looking for, that little green dot. So it's
right.
not actually a green dot anyway.
Right.
It's not a laser.
It's just in the sight.
It's just in the sight, and that's supposed to be lined up with this little pew.
Yes. And that's it. Just gotta adjust now, take it to the range.
All right. Let's see. And this is an extended magazine, right?
That's right, 17 round mag.
That's what.
Extension.
Okay, 17 round mag extension. That's why it's sticking out like that.
That's right.
Now, it doesn't usually stick out like that, but you put that in there because it's so comfortable for you that it doesn't even stick out that far, being that much bigger.
That's right.
So all of this, Lukas wanted that. It didn't come like that. He wanted that because he wanted to hold more. And it's still comfortable for him to wear under his clothes. That's how nice the size is. That even if you take it upon yourself to extend it, it's totally fine. All right. Can you show us one more time? So you're just looking at the dot?
That's it.
All right, that's it, you guys. Show us the other side. Flip it over. 6 hour. Alrighty. Thank you.